Hello and a very warm welcome to the students of class 4. Today let's learn a poem from your English textbook Marigold. The poem is titled Run and is written by Mary Daunt. Children, do you like running? Do you know that running is the best form of exercise? In this poem, the poetess Mary Daunt has laid stress on the importance of exercising. Running is one of the best and the easiest form of exercise. And so she asks all children to run away from the crowded cities into the countryside to enjoy the vast fields, clear sky, and feel as if they are running into the sun. According to the poet, running can be enjoyed in different weathers, like in the rainy season, in the summer, or in winter. The children should enjoy the raindrops which fall on them when they run. Feel the cool breeze in the shade of the trees and compete with the gently blowing breeze. Running makes us happy and strong to handle the challenges of life. Success will come easily to the children who adopt such a way of life. The poetess also asks the children to enjoy running down the hill, up the narrow lanes or roads, and also in the meadows full of grass and animals. Then she asks them to run back to their homes. So children, let's read and enjoy the poem Run by Mary Daunt. Away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. Run in the raindrops, run neath the trees, run little races with each little breeze. Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. Run and be merry all through the day. Run to the country, away, away. So children, this poem is a short poem made up of 4 stanzas. Let us read the poem once again and try to understand it in detail. Stanza 1. Away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. So the poet is telling the children to run. She asks them to run away from the crowded cities into the countryside or villages where they can see the clear sky as there are no tall buildings there and they feel as if they are running into the sun. Coming to stanza 2, the poetess says, run in the raindrops, run neath the trees, run little races with each little breeze. In this stanza, neath means beneath or under. So the poetess is telling the children to run even when it is raining and enjoy the raindrops falling on them. She asks them to run in the shadow of the trees, beneath the trees, under the trees where there is shadow. So she's asking them to run in the shadow of the trees and to have competitions of running with a blowing wind. Here breeze means a light wind. So she's telling them to compete with the winds as this will make them happy and energetic and it will also give them a feeling of achievement. Moving on to stanza 3. The poetess tells the children, run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. So in this stanza, lane means roads, meadow means grassy lands. So the poetess is asking or telling the children to enjoy the thrill, the happiness of running down a hill slope or a hillside and running up the lanes through the roads and also through the meadows or grassy lands which are fields crowded with different animals and then to run back to their homes. Coming to the last stanza, the concluding stanza, children, the poetess says, run and be merry all through the day. Run to the country, away, away. In this stanza, merry means happy. So she says, you can run and be happy all through the day. Throughout the day, you can keep running and please run to the countryside or the village, away, away from where? From the cities, from the crowded cities, because there's a lot of noise pollution and air pollution in the cities and there are a lot of traffic jams and also tall buildings and congested places in the cities. So she is telling the children to run away from these crowded cities to the beautiful countryside or village. Now here the poetess summarizes that by running all around, they will be cheerful. What happens when you run? You're happy, you're cheerful and happy, and throughout the day you will remain happy. And by being happier, the children will be more successful in life. And here lies the importance of an active lifestyle for all of us. So we should be physically active. We should do some kind of an exercise every day. So children, let's find out the meanings of the new words you have learnt in this poem. The new words are raindrops, neath, that means beneath, breeze, hillside, meadow, and merry. Let us do it one by one. Raindrops means drops of rain. Example, it is lovely to watch raindrops on the window. A raindrop spat on his head. Number 2, beneath. That means under something. Example, Smith hid the book beneath a pile of clothes or under a pile of clothes. Number 2, Rachel is sitting beneath the tree or under the tree. Number 3 is breeze, a gentle wind. Example, we were enjoying in the cool breeze. A cool breeze touched Rita's cheeks. Next, hillside, the side of a hill. Example, we reached the hillside on time. Beautiful flowers grew along the hillside. Next, meadow. Meadow is a piece of grassland. Example, I saw cows grazing in the meadow. She picked flowers in the meadow. And the last word is merry, means cheerful. Example, let's eat, drink and be merry or happy. Richard is a merry fellow. Coming to the question answers, what does the poem tell us to do? The poem tells us to run to the country and to remain happy throughout the day. Write about the places where the poet wants us to run. Answer, the poet wants us to run away from the city into the sun, towards the country, in the raindrops, underneath the trees, down the hillside, up the lane and through the meadow. Question number 3. Do you like to play and run about? Why? Answer, yes, I like to play and run about. I feel fresh and energetic. It gives me joy and a feeling of togetherness with my friends. It is also good for health. Number 4. Running is a very good exercise. Name any 3 games that you play in which you have to run. Answer, cricket, football and hockey. Question number 5. When you run fast, what do you feel is happening to your body or in your body? Answer, when I run fast, my heart beats faster. The energy level of my body increases. I feel my breathing has become fast. Question number 6. Some letters are missing in each word. Write EE or EA in each of these words. Answers, trees, sleep, please, beep, tease, feet, teach and meet. So children, please write down the meanings and the question answers in your classwork notebook. With this, we come to the end of the poem, A Run. Thank you and God bless.